Hey barbecue warriors, doing something that's fun today. I love pasta, I love Italian spaghetti, but today we're doing brisket burn-in barbecue spaghetti. It's not gonna have any of your familiar Italian seasoning in it because it's barbecue. You know, I don't want to cross that line and give you a mixture. I want to make it all about the barbecue this time. I saved me back some brisket burn-ins from my last cook school. I vacuum sealed them and I got them here. It's all for one brisket. We're going to start out first with our sauce. We got to have a stick of butter, a cup of onions, chopped bell pepper. Now I'm going to heat this up, get it translucent, get the veggies soft. Then I'm going to add 4 cups tomato puree. Then I'm going to add a bottle of my hog sauce. I'm going to add some of my Hickory Rub to taste. Then I'm going to add 2 cups of beef broth. At the very end, I'm going to simmer this after I get my onions and my peppers translucent. I'm going to simmer all those ingredients for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Also, I got 16 ounces of 1 pound of spaghetti noodles I got to get ready. The brisket burn-ins go in about 10 minutes before the sauce comes off. I don't want them to sit there and cook the pieces during that whole 45 minutes because they're done. So they go in about 10 minutes before the sauce gets done. Sauce is going to take about 35 to 45 minutes to simmer down a little bit, get everything binded together, make great barbecue spaghetti sauce. See you back in about an hour. All right, barbecue warriors, we're back for the brisket burn-in spaghetti finale. We got our noodles done, which didn't take but about 10 minutes. Everybody knows how to do that. And now look what I got. Let me tell you something, this sauce is really good. Look at that. A little Kobe Jack, or you can use pepper jack. My friends, this right here, off the chain. I'll see you next time here at my barbecue pavilion. Y'all be safe, keep smoking.